This is brought to you by Scom Productions.
Hello, this is Physics 102 and my name is Dr. Flammensmush. Today we are concentrating on waves such as gamma rays, water waves, Mexican waves and X-rays, you know, that kind of stuff. Yes, okay. Today we are mostly concentrating on microwaves. Okay, they are the things that come out of your mobile phone. So when you are talking on your mobile phone, it just poof and turns into a microwave. Hello? And then it is thrown 330 million miles per second to a big tower. Boing. And then go into another mobile phone. Hello? Which turns into a microwave. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Mustache Contest!
I win. Ha.
Okay then, I guess you do win.